I wonder if the weather will be nice.
Well, awesome
Alexandra.
news there. I know this has been the most fun week. Every day I'm like, it's coming. It's
Yes.
going to happen. We're going to have fall weather. We can't believe it. But yes, it is going to happen 3 days from now until our first cold front moves in, I should say, on Friday. And then we'll really feel the effects more Saturday and Sunday. And we're really excited about it. Temperatures looking much lower than now. We're in the 80s now. Big chunk of the U.S. sitting in the 70s or 80s. But there are some cooler temperatures, some lower temperatures way out to the northwest. And we are expecting this front to get the big push from the upper atmosphere, a trough pushing in that surface front. So cooler and low humidity kind of conditions will be here for the weekend. Those purples and blues are showing a very low moisture content in the air, indicating less humidity, and also our temperatures will come down too. So I'll show you more on that in a second. But for today, we do have some clouds. Only a very slight chance really for a coastal shower today. Our temperature at 87 in New Orleans. Our humidity, not bad, but also not as dry as it's going to be over the weekend when we'll get that really dry fall feel. Temperatures all over the place in the 80s, and our winds from the east southeast at this point and continuing fairly breezy. Now for land areas, we're only seeing a few of those clouds showing up on satellite imagery. There is a little bit of light rain off the coast of Plaquemines Parish. Not expecting a whole lot of rain, but again, a coastal shower will be possible. Here's our forecast for today. High temperatures close to 90 like we've been topping out at lately, in the upper 80s to about 90. Winds continuing a bit breezy from the east southeast. Tonight, not as strong for the winds. They've been slacking off a little at night. And our temperatures tonight getting into the 70s south, but 60s north of the lake. North of the lake, you've had some really pleasant mornings going as you start off in the 60s around sunrise. Now here's Precision Cast. You saw the timing of that front on Friday. Now you can see a line of rain associated with that for tomorrow. And interestingly, models now have some rain maybe late Thursday. So Thursday into Friday, the front will be moving in. Maybe a couple of showers during the afternoon tomorrow into tomorrow night. And then this is Friday. This is by lunchtime Friday. Maybe not that much rain left over. I only have about a 20, maybe 30% chance of rain, but it might be a bit lower than that even. And then this is Friday night. We still have a few clouds, but that drier air will be working in, especially for Saturday. How much rain? We know we need the rain to alleviate the drought, but we are looking for our GFS model maybe up to 1/3 of an inch. I mean, that would be good. That's better than what models were showing before. They were showing almost zero rain with this front for us. But I do think we'll have at least a chance for some rain. Again, late tomorrow night, and maybe into Friday. But it doesn't look like a whole lot to help with drought conditions. But hey, we'll take a little bit if we can get it. Back to the tropics, Tropical Storm Philippe. You can see its center located now north of Puerto Rico, but still bringing cloud cover and some rain to some of those Caribbean islands. Moving off to the north, expected to stay a tropical storm, and it may gain strength a little, might pass somewhere near Bermuda. Bermuda will be watching for the exact location, and then it may eventually be yet another storm system. Not a tropical system likely by this point, but maybe a post-tropical system with some gusty winds and rain, maybe moving back into the New England area or into maritime Canada. So interesting to see that trend a few times over this hurricane season. We've made it through the name Rena. Philippe is still going strong. Rena has not made it anymore. It's no longer an active storm. The next name would be Sean, Tammy, Vince, and Whitney, but we're not seeing at this point any sign of those forming. Whitney's perking up as I say her name. 7-day forecast showing near 90 for tomorrow. Rain chances into Friday. Saturday and Sunday, a little bit of a breeze from the north and northeast. Our temperature Saturday, maybe only in the 70s, and it looks like we'll have at least some clouds early in the day, but those should be decreasing through the day. Saturday evening looks pretty pleasant. We'll be dropping into the 60s, so we haven't had to say sweater in a long time, but if you're a little cold-natured, might want something like that Saturday night. And then Sunday, 50s north, lower 60s south, low humidity, sunshine, 75 for the high. To me, that's almost a perfect day.